Hi guys, now in front of me is Himiway D5 Pro. Its upgraded motor is Zebra. This bike is suitable for commuting and outdoors. It's built for all terrains. Okay, let's start the unboxing. First, we need to remove the tires from the e-bike, then put the box down and take it out. It will be easier if you have someone to help you do this. In addition, if there is any problem with the product you receive, you need to keep the box for a period of time to solve the relevant problems. In this box, we have Himiway logo cap, pedals, screws, front light, toolkit, wrench, protective rack, bell, and charger. Handlebar Installation 4mm hex wrench. Step 1. Loosen the bolts on your bike stem. Step 2. Center your handlebars and rotate them to align to the marking pointed to in the below image. Step 3. Tighten bolts to handlebar stem, but don't tighten completely, as you may want to further adjust the angle later to align more precisely. Test the positioning and adjust the handlebar to your preferred angle. After determining the best position, completely tighten all the bolts on the stem. Front wheel installation. Step 1. After tightening the rear rack, lay a mat down to protect both bike and floor from scratches. Next, carefully flip your bike upside down for the front wheel installation. Step 2. Remove the plastic axle guards from the front wheel, being careful to avoid contact with the brake rotor set. Step 3. Remove the front forks protection bar by manually pulling it straight up. Pull out the pad, which is used to protect the hydraulic brake caliper. Step 4. Loosen the front wheel nuts. Remove the front wheel hub axle. Step 5. Align the hole in the center of the tire with the hole in the hub axle. Then, insert and secure the hub axle while ensuring that the brake pads of the front wheel are properly engaged with the brake. Step 6. Tighten the front wheel hub axle. Headlight and fender installation, additional tools, 5mm wrench. Step 1. Loosen the bolt on the fork brace. Align the bolt holes of your headlight with the hole on the fork brace. Then reinsert the bolt through all holes and tighten the bolt with a 5mm wrench and a hex wrench. Step 2. Loosen the bolts on the 2 brackets on either side of the front fork. Then pull one end of the fender brace until the loop at the end is centered in the bracket. Reinsert the bolt through the loop at the end of the brace and tighten completely. Repeat on the other side. Step 3. Connect the light wire connectors together. Pay careful attention to the arrows on the wire connectors, making sure the arrows align with each other to avoid damaging the interior circuitry. Seat adjustment. Adjust the seat height. Open the seat post quick release lever. Adjust the seat post height by sliding the seat post up or down to a height appropriate for your leg length and preferred riding position. Rear rack installation 4mm hex wrench. Step 1. Remove the bolts with washers located a couple inches behind the seat post. Step 2. Place the rack down and adjust placement until the holes on the end are aligned and screw the bolts back in. Step 3. Tighten the eyelet bolts on both sides of the rear rack to the frame. Derailleur guard installation 4mm hex wrench. Step 1. Remove the bolts on the chainstay. Step 2. Put one bolt through the loop on the end of the derailleur guard and use the wrench to screw it back into the upper chainstay hole. Step 3. Repeat with the other side of the derailleur guard into the lower chainstay hole. Pedals installation 15mm wrench. Make sure your pedals are installed on the correct side, as installing on the wrong side will damage the screw hole. Indicators for the right pedal R and the left pedal L can be found in 2 places: the stickers on the plastic cover and the bottom of the pedal thread. Before you install the pedals, apply a small amount of waterproof grease onto the spindle. Start threading the pedal on by hand to ensure the pedal is going in perfectly straight, rotating in the direction of the pointer shown on the crank. If it is not spinning smoothly, make doubly sure that you have the correct left or right pedal. After initial hand tightening, finish tightening the pedals with a standard 15mm wrench.